Finesse shampoo is a well-known hair care product that has built a reputation for offering gentle, affordable, and effective solutions for various hair types. Launched in the 1980s, Finesse quickly became a favorite for those seeking salon-quality results at a budget-friendly price. Its formulas are especially recognized for containing active silk and soy proteins, which help strengthen, moisturize, and protect the hair from damage. Finesse shampoos are known for their signature clean, fresh scent and their ability to leave hair feeling soft, manageable, and shiny after just a few washes. The most popular variant, Finesse Restore Plus Strengthen Moisturizing Shampoo, is designed to nourish dry or damaged hair while restoring natural moisture balance. It penetrates deep into the hair shaft to repair and protect, making it ideal for people with chemically treated, heat-styled, or color-damaged hair. This shampoo works especially well when paired with the Finesse conditioner, delivering long-lasting smoothness and shine. It helps reduce frizz and breakage while improving the overall texture and softness of hair, making it easier to manage. Finesse also offers volumizing formulas for fine or limp hair, which help boost body and fullness without weighing the hair down. These shampoos gently cleanse while adding natural lift, perfect for people who want bouncier, more voluminous hair. Despite its affordability, Finesse gives a premium feel due to its creamy texture, rich lather, and pleasant fragrance. It's suitable for daily use, and many users appreciate how it enhances the appearance and health of their hair over time. One of Finesse's biggest strengths is its consistency. It delivers reliable results with each use, without overcomplicating hair care routines. Thanks.